Children, today we are going to learn the sign conventions for spherical mirrors. We have already done about all these dimensions like pole and principal axis. We'll quickly revise it for the concave mirror. A concave mirror, as you can see, is a spherical mirror with its inner curved surface as the reflecting surface. This is the pole, which is defined as the geometrical center for the mirror. This is the principal axis, which is an imaginary line which passes through the pole for a mirror. The rules that we use for conventions are as follows. The first one says that the object is always placed to the left of the mirror. This implies that light from the object falls on the mirror from the left hand side, as we can now see in the ray diagrams which we are going to draw further. The second rule says all distances parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole of the mirror. For example, focal length will be measured as PF, object distance will be measured as PB. All distances measured to the right of the pole are considered positive, and those which are measured to the left of the pole are considered as negative. We have to keep in mind where the object is placed and where is the image formed. You will be able to supply all these rules only once your ray diagrams are very clear. Distances measured perpendicularly above the principal axis are taken as positive, and those below the principal axis are taken as negative. Means the object, the height of the object is always positive, and image can be either positive or negative. Distances measured perpendicular below the principal axis, as I told you, will be negative. So if you get a real image, its height will be taken as negative. For example, suppose the height of the image is 3 and it is below the principal axis. You will take it as -3. So we'll take an example now for a ideal situation in which AB is the height of the object. This is the incident ray which approaches towards the mirror. This is the direction of incident ray, which should always be from left to right, as discussed earlier. Then, after marking the center of curvature and the pole, we'll be able to decide that what is the position of the object and what is the position of the image. And accordingly, we will talk about the sign convention rules. This is the distance towards the left of the mirror. Any distance measured like this will always be taken negative, and towards right will always be taken as positive. जैसे अगर किसी मिरर का फोकल लेंथ, कॉनकेव मिरर का फोकल लेंथ 5 सेंटीमीटर है और वो लेफ्ट की साइड है, तो वी विल टेक इट एज -5. हाइट्स, एज यू कैन सी, ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगी. इमेज की हाइट पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव डिपेंड करेगी आपके रे डायग्राम पर कि आपकी इमेज रियल आ रही है या वर्चुअल आ रही है.